Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace something that's probably overlooked in your kitchen, and that is your range air filter. It's supposed to get all the fumes and all that out when you have your fan on. You know, you turn on your fan, it's going to suck all the stuff from cooking up through there. I'll bet that a lot of people don't even think about replacing this, and it's very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. In fact, if you aren't sure how to do it or which filter you need, if you look at your range, typically there's a little sticker right there, and you can't probably see it. But this one says replacement filter and has a part number. Then you can just go on to eBay or whatever site you like shopping from. Go there, you can find it, buy it, and it'll show up. So here's my new one. And so what I'm gonna do is just grab this thing out of here, and it's made out of like aluminum, so it's pretty flimsy. And there's also this little clipper here you can turn so that you can take it out. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll put the other one in. All right, so I got this thing out. It's been a while since I replaced it. It is due, that's for sure. And you can see there's like some residue and stuff up here. So I'm gonna probably just get a little sponge or something like that and wipe that up, and then we'll install the other. That is looking good now, and so I've got my new filter here. If you look closely, it says air intake side. So this is going to be the side that faces down. I got the charcoal carbon filter. So hopefully it does a pretty good job of getting all this stuff out of the air. But let's just place it up in here. We'll close it. We'll be good to go. New filter's in place. Got a little bend in here. That's okay, because it's just pushing it closer to the thing that got damaged in shipping. But yeah, looks good. I mean, I'm not going to notice anything, but I'm sure it's gonna be a little cleaner in here once we cook some food. In fact, tonight we're making some homemade pizza, so I'm pretty excited about that. You guys have a good weekend. Talk to you later.